Hi everyone, it's Brian from SparkCures. I'm coming to you from our SparkCures headquarters here in Pittsburgh, PA. It's pretty quiet around here today. Everyone on our team is and has been working remotely for over a week now. But with everything that's going on, I came into the office today because I wanted to share some updates on how the COVID-19 pandemic is impacting clinical trial participation. Over the past week, we've been reaching out and connecting with some of the major myeloma cancer centers around the U.S. for guidance on how they're managing clinical trials. The responses that have come back have varied a bit, but there is one central theme. Centers are taking this on a day-by-day and a patient-by-patient basis. Some centers have shared that as of March 19th, they are continuing to enroll patients on clinical trials. Others have shared that they are determining clinical trial enrollment based on a patient's need, which includes how aggressively their disease is progressing, but also if there is standard of care treatments that can be offered. Many centers have shared that staff are being reassigned to assist with COVID-19 cases, which leaves less staff and resources for trial participation. In fact, in one instance, we have been advised that Johns Hopkins is temporarily halting almost all myeloma clinical trials. We've been told by some centers that patients who are currently enrolled in a trial may remain on that trial. This is a landscape that is going to continue to change, and the FDA issued industry guidance today regarding clinical trial conduct that emphasizes, and I quote, that at all times, patient safety should continue to be at the forefront of considerations. We, being the FDA, want to support the continuation of these clinical trials in compliance with good clinical practice and minimizing risk to trial integrity while also safeguarding the health and well-being of study participants. So, if you have urgent or pressing questions, we recommend you call your doctor immediately. At SparkCures, we are and will remain open for calls and assistance as usual. Our entire team is working remotely, but we have continuation plans in place that allow us to do this with virtually no interruption to our service to patients. Now, we're all in this together, and it's a scary time made all the more scary due to how quickly this seems to be changing every single day. We're going to continue to post updates as we learn more, and we encourage everyone to adhere to the CDC guidelines and practice social distancing, wash your hands, and limit your exposure to public places. If you have any questions or additional concerns as to how this may affect you, please give us a call at 888-828-2206.